This is what my brows currently look like, and this is how you snatch your brows. Hey y'all, I'm Jasmine, and I'm going to show you how to fill in your brows with just 2 products from L'Oreal Paris. Let's get into it. When it comes to brows, the most important thing to do is clean up your base first. I like to use a spoolie to go ahead and brush out my brow hairs, and then that way I can see anything that needs to go. I like to pluck any stray hairs that are around my brows. You can also use an eyebrow shaver to clean up the top of your brows. Plucking those stray hairs just allows you to get a clear idea of what your brow shape is gonna look like. Now, I'm a brows first girly, so I like to do my brows before I do the rest of my makeup. That said, I also like to go in with my brow gel first. I know, but hear me out. It's gonna help you save product, but also show you where you need to fill in your brows. Today, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Lamination. With this product, I like to brush my brow hairs in the reverse direction to make sure each brow hair is coated with the lamination gel. Now, no, we're looking crazy, but it's gonna come together. I like to go ahead and do the same thing on my other brow, and I like to give it a little time. I want my product to get a little bit tacky just so we can have max brow lamination. So after letting that get a little bit tacky for a few seconds, then I like to go in and brush my brow hairs in the direction in which they grow. So towards the front, we're gonna brush them upwards, and then as we get towards the arch, we're gonna brush them outwards. I love this product because I feel like it lays my brow hairs down very smoothly. I also use this product when I'm just on the go and I'm not wearing any makeup, but I wanna look polished. I go ahead and lay my brow hairs with this brow lamination gel. Now, once you lay your brow hairs flat, you wanna take the spoolie and run it over the top of your brows to give you that nice, clean line. And that is just gonna basically like shape your brows and frame the face. For extra security, you can use your finger to just lay your brow hairs down to make it give that laminated look. Now, while we let that dry, I want to show you guys what product we're using to fill in our brows. If you haven't heard about them, brow pens are the best way to get like hair-like strokes for your brows. So if you're looking for a natural look, this is the product you need to try. This is the Faux Brow Tint Pen. This is the color Soft Black. As you can see, you get very nice hair-like strokes with this pen. This is the color Brunette. To match my hair color, I'm going to use the color Soft Black on my brows. All you do when you fill your brows in with this brow pen is with a light, gentle hand, you just flick the pen over your brows. I love the dual-ended tip because it saves you time. You're doing 2 hair strokes at a time. I just like to flick my wrist with a light hand to fill in my brows. You can also use this to define your arch and create your shape. And then I really love to go in with a gentle hand at the front of my brows. This brow pen is all you need to fill in the sparse areas of your brow. And I think by adding the gel first, you can clearly see where you need to add product and where your brows actually are already full. I personally like to define the tail of my brows, and that's when the Faux Brow Tint Pen comes in handy. Now from here, if you're doing a natural look, you can clean up your brows with a Q-tip, or if you're doing more glam, you can clean up your brows with concealer, and this is what your makeup will look like. If I do a full face of makeup after I do my brows, I do like to go in one more time with that brow lamination and just go over my brow hairs to make sure everything is set in place, okay? And we're not adding any crazy amount of product, just a light glaze over the top, and just like that, your brows are snatched. Now, if you guys are interested in more information about these products, make sure you check out l'orealparisusa.com as well as the links below. Bye!